Good morning, everybody. Just want to make sure everybody can take advantage of the catch-up day that we have afforded to us. Most of our work, if not all of our work, since we've been into the distant learning mode, has been in Khan Academy. So it's really a great way to make sure you're caught up by simply going into Khan Academy. I've gone in as a student, clicking on assignments, and taking a look at both your active and your past tab. Your active tab may even be blank for the day that you're looking at it, but everything in your active tab and in your past tab, starting with identify transformations, you can see the date break here. Identify transformations is the first assignment we had in the fourth quarter. It's the first assignment we worked on in our distance learning environment. So everything from this point up should be done. It doesn't look like I have any scores here. I, as a student, haven't worked on any of these. So it simply has the start button. But you should have a score in all of these, and those scores should all show a level of proficiency. So take a look from identify transformations all the way through your past tab, going up in date, and then take a look at your active tab, make sure everything is done. And please, anything that you've worked on that is in the past or any grades that you've improved upon at Khan Academy, please make sure to email your teacher and have them change the grade in PowerSchool. If you have any questions, please get a hold of us. Thanks.